Oh no! Oh, my colors, they're gone.
Buzz? Buzz!
Wait, who are you? It's red! I can feel it! Look! The color came back! Just for red! Orange! It tastes like sunshine! Yellow! Like a banana! Like me! Three colors! Three colors! But the sky is still sad and gray. We need blue! Blue! We can share the colors, Bitsy! Green! It smells like spring! Huh? Purple isn't working. Why?
Red plus blue makes purple! We have to mix!
Purple power! The gray is running away!
We saved the park! But the rainbow is still broken. How do we fix that?
The rainbow, it's still broken. It needs all the colors at once.
Bitsy says we already have all the colors.
We are the rainbow! Think colorful thoughts! Think colorful thoughts! Rainbow!
It's beautiful.
And it's even more colorful. Wow! Every color matters. Every colors win.
Thanks for saving the colors with us. New adventure soon.